It do be good. What's up? It's Monday today. Brand new week. Today, I don't know what I got.
Chicken tikka masala, right? Tikka masala?
Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it. Time for reveal. Oh, wow.
That does look pretty good. I get mine.
Yeah.
That does look good.
I like how this is seasoned.
Well, no, semesters.
Oh,
We get out pretty early though, I feel like. I left school like May, no, am I tripping? No, yeah, I left school like May 4th.
Oh, damn.
But all my other classes were just like 35-minute presentations.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Okay, one thing I do gotta say though, the ice water here is superior. When you first,
Oh yeah, the ice.
he was so excited. No, I'm telling you, this whole time, Will has been stone-faced because he could not open his eyes. And once I mentioned ice here, his eyes were wide open.
Yeah.
When you first discovered the ice, what was your feeling?
Shock, kind of, because I didn't know. And
Euphoria.
I feel that way now too. I forgot about it, honestly.
It's like it's like mini marshmallows.
They look like the Chick-fil-A ice cubes, but
The whole ass meal in front of her eats the ice.
I'm just trying to show y'all the ice is chewable.
ASMR. Love it.
Get into it.
Am I gonna become YouTube famous?
No. Go stuff for the food. Yeah. Get into it. Yeah.
You're gonna lose your lunch break before you even start eating.
Yeah. Why you always got something to say, huh? Alright, cool, y'all. Because they told me that I have to eat now before I lose my meal break. So, peace out, y'all. Enjoy your weekend. Do something fun, relatable.
It's a Monday. Enjoy your weekend.
I hope you enjoyed your weekend. But now it's time to work. Bye, y'all.
Enjoy your weekend.
What's up? So today is Tuesday and I'm gonna show you my food today. I think, let me check the menu to see what today's food is. I always got the special entry so I get something new every day. Today we got chicken tacos, flavorful chicken, Spanish rice, beans, and toppings.
Guest 108, guest 88.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, okay. The presentation is there. I like how they already put the food on the taco, so I don't have to like put them on myself. Taste test. I like how the chicken is seasoned and the inside is not too chewy. I can actually feel the texture. And the sauce is right on. I think there's pineapples in it. But overall, professional food can. Yeah, I don't even like tacos that much, but I rate this 8 out of 10. Tune in for Wednesday. Bye-bye. Killer content, y'all. Today is Wednesday, and guess what we got? We have Nashville chicken sandwich. Look at that. And I got onion rings and fries. Oh, it's fire. It's gonna be fire. I don't even know it's gonna be fire.
Getting in those onion rings.
I tell you. Getting into it.
We're live on set.
What's up, everyone?
I feel like it's wobbling.
Should I put something under it?
I look what?
It's wobbling. The camera's wobbling.
Oh. What's up, everyone? It's Wednesday, and it's spelled W-I-N $day, Wednesday. with today's food is the Nashville hot chicken sandwich. So let's see. I'm kind of loud, right? I'm kind of It's very crispy on the outside, and it's very chewy inside. I'm not a pickle fan, but this pickle is delicious. Alright, y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It's Thursday. And I finally got breakfast because I'm influenced. What is this? Wait. What? I don't know if they give you this much. For $3 too. Like, $3. Classic breakfast plate. They did it like hash browns, and it's seasoned on the inside because usually it's not. So, props to them. I'm gonna restart. Now they got beef lasagna today. That's crazy. The garlic bread here is superior. So, oh my god, that looks so good. Let's try it. Another vlog. Oh my god.
Has this been going on daily? Like,
For this week. Is it recording yet? Oh. Oh. The presentation. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Anyways. It is a great presentation. We got garlic bread, we got some greens, and we got a lasagna. So let's try it out. Sunny day today. Great day in the neighborhood. First impression is it's not that greasy, which is good. Because most lasagna that I've had was greasy. So this was good. Second, the sauce is not too salty, which I like because you never want it to be too salty in any sort of way, right? Okay, let's try out the garlic bread. Last time they gave me a small piece, like maybe half of this size. So today they're being very generous. And they gave me a corner piece. So this is the garlic bread. Good as I remembered.
the final rating. Do you do that at the end?
Oh, yes.
I started to remind you. Is that what you said?
8.7.
It's a powerful ranking.
It's a powerful ranking.